Welcome back. Please remain seated until the ride has come to a full and complete stop. Then, unbuckle your seatbelt and push down and pull up on your harness to release it and carefully exit to your right. Remember to gather any personal items you may have left behind and proceed to the exit gate. Have the best day here at California's Great America. Welcome to the aDemon. Please place all loose articles, such as hats, sunglasses, prescription glasses, bags, and purses on the exit side of the platform. California's Great America cannot be held responsible for lost, stolen, or damaged items. An attendant is coming to physically check your shoulder harness and visually check your seatbelt. At this time, push up on your restraint and check your seatbelt to confirm it is locked. Please notify an attendant if you have difficulty with your restraint. While the ride is in motion, please face forward with your back and shoulders against the seat back, and keep your legs, arms, and hands inside the train at all times. Be prepared to conquer the aDemon.
Clearance, correct?